Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm at the fish market. Check the groupers. See the size of these groupers. Man, look at this grouper here. Try. See as fish take big. Hey. Omo man, and of course I'm here for my edge also.
See, shave here very well.
Try. Almost see this fish. 10 kilo. Almost see fish. Hey! Oh boy, now wow, 10 kilo. This 15 kilo. 15 kilo. Try. Oh more. This fish is called a grouper. You want to know about this fish market? Pay me consultancy fee. I will bring you here. One fish, 15 kilo. You know if you chop this head, now one full meal. See the guy teeth. Oh boy. Omo, this one a world war. This one are the highest. This one, how much is this one? 17 kilograms. Like a small Pekin.
This is not a small baby, this is a toddler.
This is a toddler.
17 kg.
See the guy eye. Try. Now the fish is 3,500 per kilo.
No.
Wholesale price.
This is wholesale price.
Wholesale price.
This is like 17 kg, right?
Yes.
Then right here is like 3.5, but by the time it gets to the table, it's gonna be like 5 or 5.5.
See how big the fish is. Try. Ejanla. Formerly known as the Banj. Omo, make I buy my fish, go my house. See them cutting this fish here. Huh? Yes. Yes, well done, well done. Now the fish, I mean, una just the okay, now the one, now the sell them. Now the fishermen be that. Hey, come on, una try. But which kind of water una they catch this kind of fish? Which kind of water did they see this kind of fish? Inside sea. Try. They fish from Nigeria. So these boats, they go Ghana from Nigeria. Oh boy, now wow. All right, guys. Oh, so these are the boats. These boats, they go Ghana. Oh boy, now wow, make my phone no go fall inside this water. Everybody go, they laugh me, say, wait till make look at a boat. Another boat just they come. Oh, but this is the best time to come here. Bros. Bros. Well done. You be fisherman? These boats, they go Ghana. How many days did they take reach Ghana? 3 days. Hey! One day I go come follow them and go this Ghana. Make I see as it be. Hard-working young men. Another boat just arrived. Let me zoom in for you guys. You can even see the number now, GH. These boats are Ghanaian boats. So. See the number, GH. That one too now, GH. Ah, man. Do you guys think I can survive this thing if I go to Ghana with them? By boat, 3 days on the road. Then they on top water where they no go see land. 3 days. They no go see land. Ben Adams, how are you, my brother? Who believes? Can I survive it 3 days? Omo, one boat just they take off. Omo, the guy they drive the boat like Ferrari. Hey, hey. Yes, boss. Show them. Taste boss there, they buy our own fish. Me, I don't buy my edge also. So, fish is very healthy for you. Fish is good. In fact, as I don't retire now, I want to use boat go Ghana. And I ain't in my mind now. Now how to use boat go Ghana for 3 days. We not go do live session for 3 days. When I reach Ghana, we go do live session. Shout out to all the hard-working young men who are not lazy, who have decided to work hard instead of doing Yahoo Yahoo.
All women is working.
They are working. No Yahoo Yahoo. Their mates, they where they do Yahoo. Yes, ma. No Yahoo, hard work. Yeah. Fishing. Hard-working young Nigerians. Working hard. Support them. These are the fishermen. They are resting. When will they go back? Okay, so not be every day when they go to the water. Not be every day. He's not a fisherman. Where are the okay? Now those boys be the fishermen. Now only group are on a catch today. But why the water they shake like this? So when you go Ghana, and I saw the water go they shake. The wave go past this one. And they know they fear say something will happen.
There's a swim now. Even though if you fall, they go pack themselves back.
Hey! So even if they fall, they go pack themselves back. Hey! Let me interview Auntie Buki.
Yes, sir. This is Buki Fish.
And we put a number. If you want buy fish.
Yes, so I'm selling fish, average snapper, shiny nose, egg Johnson. All kind of seafood.
Now she they supply me my egg
Yes, so
Johnson.
I supply fresh egg Johnson, live one.
All right, guys. All right, guys. This is me reporting from that place. If you are interested in Bookie's number, now be their manager. Send me DM. Now me be a manager. You go pay consultancy fee. Oh yeah. Bye.